temperatures here in Ohio. We're heading to the grocery store to get cold treats and cold foods to eat for the next 5 days or so while this horrible heat is around. And I'm trying to think of what's new. If you're connected to me on Facebook, you would have heard yesterday that our Amish neighbor's goats knocked over a beehive, and many of them were severely injured from stings. And Scott basically spent the day running around getting medicine for them, and Swedish bitters and charcoal, and then Benadryl. But they lost an adult goat and a baby goat. But the other ones seem to be holding it together, so that's good news. Our Amish neighbors have been very generous with us. I mean, we barter back and forth. Twice this week I've driven them to doctors and dentist appointments and stuff, and Scott or I, or both of us, usually take Anna's baked goods to the auction for her and stuff, so we barter a lot of that for food. So this week alone, we've gotten a half-gallon of fresh milk, fresh butter, a 5-gallon bucket full of zucchini,
half-gallon of raspberries,
probably 2 gallons of, or maybe 1 gallon of beans,
yeah,
all sorts. Oh, and about 25 pounds of bananas.
yeah.
So I've been spending yesterday processing all that and getting it in the freezer. So the next few days we're not going to be doing a whole hell of a lot because it's just going to be too hot. Next week we're going to be getting a pool, so we have somewhere to escape the heat. And actually, one of our friends has given us 2 window air conditioners too. I don't know how effective they're going to be in our house because our windows are at both ends, and the house is 60 feet long, but at least both ends are bedrooms, so if it can make at least a difference in the bedrooms, that'll help some. But we don't want to run them too much because we don't want to get condensation in the walls.
Yeah.
But
We'll do alright.
we'll survive.
Oh, yeah. We'll have something for the boys to do and burn some energy and stay cool. And
Me too.
yeah.
I've been doing a lot of sewing lately. Sewn a few skirts and some jumpers, and I've been very inspired by Heidi over at Rent Country Homestead. So I've been making a lot of clothes for myself lately. I'm trying to think of what else. Scott's been busy working at the mill.
I don't know, trying to get our rainwater catchment system set up.
Yeah, we finally get gutters up, and then we get a heat wave and no rain.
That's what I figured. Yeah.
But the last rain we did have, we got about 3 inches in the ICB tank, so it's I've been calling it ICP tank.
Yeah, it's IBC tank. Anything else?
I don't think so. I mean, really, during the week, we've been busy, you know, doing stuff with our Amish neighbors, bartering back and forth, and Scott's been busy working at the mill, and I've been sewing, and that's pretty much what's going on. Nothing exciting, which is why we haven't made a whole lot of videos in the last couple of months. They're just everyday stuff, you know, nothing. We don't have a garden yet. We don't have any livestock yet, you know. Once we're able to start working on that stuff, we'll have more to show. But, right now, it's just everyday life.
Yep.
Which, I mean, I'm pretty happy with it.
Yeah.
So,
95-degree temperatures, not so happy with it, but...
No.
But, yeah, it changes.
As a woman in my 50s, at that point in my life, these temperatures are pretty much disabling to me, and I don't handle them very well. I keep begging Scott to move us up to Alaska, but he's not having that. So that's what's going on at Avalon Acres Farm. If you have any video requests that we could do, I mean, I can always do more cooking videos. I can do some sewing videos. For right now, probably not so much cooking, but, you know, once the heat wave is gone. And here we are at the grocery store. So I'm going to sign off. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to our channel.
Yep.
And we will be more consistent in putting out videos. We'll have more stuff to show as things are worked on around the homestead.
Working on trying to get things established, and you know, infrastructure things are the things we're primarily working on, not so much homestead stuff necessarily. So
a lot of the stuff that we're working on would be of interest to people maybe that were doing shed to house or learning how to do their own infrastructure building and stuff. So, but definitely, you know, as the heat dissipates, I can definitely get back to doing some cooking videos. So if you have any requests, let me know. I could do videos on the stuff that I'm sewing and stuff, and just any requests, put them down below, and we'll look at them and see what we can do. So thank you. Have a good weekend. If you're where the heat wave is, keep cool, drink lots of water.
Have a happy 4th.
Have a happy 4th of July. Don't put your dogs in the car, and don't forget your babies in the back seat.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.